running over a VHS tape with a lawnmower.
I want to run over one.
That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Is it still going after that? Was there more? There was tons more. Oh my god. Oh! Alright. Our masterpiece is finito.
Hey, finito.
Who cares? We went around the entire house. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we did it.
This is ridiculous. Now we gotta clean it all up. Oh my god. We have to clean all that up. Drop test. No. That is ridiculous. Okay, so a lot of you may be asking why we drop so many phones. And the answer is we don't know. So we're gonna drop it down this chute right there. Let me see if I can show him. See that phone way up there? Yeah. That's gonna be dropped down face first.
Do you want it open or closed?
Open.
Okay.
Oh! Alright, so. It's alright. I'm sure it's still turned on, but we're not gonna even try. That obviously is working. Now we're gonna do one more. Well, it is perfectly okay.
No.
Oh God. No, it is not.
No, you're not. It's like an 18.5-foot drop.
Let's see if it turns on. Put it in. Put it in. Oh.
There's a screen protector on.
Yes! Let's go!
Just that little damage, but I mean, it'll still work. Alright, another drop. Of course, there was no sniper there.
Oh my god, that almost hit my phone. Really? Oh my god. Oh my god. Chipotle. Alright, it works. Next test. And the moment of truth, it's okay. Alright, guys, let's check the damage. It literally snapped the phone in half, almost. Battery in. The U-turn on. And there's life. So I guess we're gonna do another drop. Okay, guys, there is something wrong with it. He completely snapped the frame, like I said. Look how bent that is. But it still turns on. I'm gonna try to fix it though. Okay, this is fine. I mean, yeah. What more to say? Next drop. Alright, that didn't sound good. There's water on the phone somehow.
Mine's still recording.
Oh, I never stopped it, did I? And hopefully it turns back on, because that was a harsh drop. And of course it does. And of course, why wouldn't it be fine? So, next drop test. So, after it hits my phone, let's see if this phone works. Quick, to the point, it works. Now, next drop. Alrighty. Nothing.
Works wonderfully.
Alright, next test. Now, you're gonna slam it. Ouch! Ow! Okay, okay. And alright, these tests obviously aren't gonna break it.
Water test.
So, not a water test right away. We'll do one quick test before.
What's test? What up? What are you doing? Yeah.
Hey!
Whoa.
Okay. Let's see.
So Zach just cracked his phone.
You what?
Zach just cracked his phone.
You better not have.
The lights turn on, but the screen doesn't. I think you popped the LCD out.
Let's open that phone up and fix it real quick.
Now we're gonna do a quick water test. Put it on a paper towel. Just dry your off. Oh, still works. Yeah. We'll do a boiling hot water test. turning on still. So now we're gonna do another test. Does it work?
Yeah.
Are they lighting up? Don't drop it.
Yep.
Oh yeah, they are lighting up. Alright, next. Somehow it turns on.
Ghost phone. Wait, let's try
No,
to
no,
end
no,
it.
look at my
You ready?
Oh god, no.
Gonna hold it under there until I don't see lights anymore. Wait, how do you turn off the lights on here? Okay. Damn, this thing's waterproof. Let's get more pressure there.
Even
Oh,
when
wait, the fish. I don't want to get touched.
the top is completely exposed. Did it turn on?
No, can we keep this here if it doesn't turn on for The Walking Dead?
Yeah. Keep a time lapse of it.
Yeah. Do you want me to start the time lapse now? Just in case?
Jeez, this thing's wild. Won't the lights automatically go off? Oh shoot. Well, here's the display. So I don't know how it's functioning over there. Aww.
Hey.
Maybe it automatically went off. Oh. No.
We should have changed the settings to never.
How does that work?
This thing
The
is...
whole top is gone. Display's gone, but the...
It's been in here for what, over a minute now?
Yep.
This thing is more waterproof than an iPhone 6S.
With no face. It went turn on. I know. But now that we just chopped the top off, it works. Maybe else it was ruining it. Oh, turned off. Alright, let's press the button. Ah! Just keep it there. And then I'll push buttons as I need to. Maybe this thing. I don't know. There you are. Well, if you look at the next slide, mind you, it is 8:25. Anyway, 8:25 p.m., guys. And this is over. Oh, it's right over 2 minutes. It's down. No. Oh. Yeah, your flash is making it so it's hard to tell. Not on this. Oh, I got one on my phone. Yeah, one on my hand. How's the fish sticking? It's ugly as hell. It's sticking out. Get out of here. No, I want to go.
Come on.
Oh. Let me do my job real quick. Oh.
Oh no.
Is this all?
Water
Is this
damage.
all dead?
Oh, it turned red.
Is this all dead?
Yeah.
Wait, there's chargers in there. Nothing.
Mind you, we waited 2 hours. It's 10:30 now.
Wah.
9 in the morning.
Well, now it's morning and it works. So now we're just gonna whip it at the ground or something. Yeah, that's really gonna break it. Okay, so it's still working after a whole day, so we're just gonna drop a big boulder on it from the 3rd story. Alright, so I got the phone back. Still works. So we're gonna do a brick drop test. Where do you want it? Here? Is that good?
I'll try.
Alright, hold on. So, final results of this phone. It still works. After everything we've done to it, it still works. So now we have to run it over. Just reverse all the way. Alright. Oh! Oh! Oh. hold on. This is literally the indestructible phone. Better than the Nokia 3310.
Yeah, right.
We ran it over with a car.
You could run over most phones with a car and they wouldn't break.
Do you know what else we did to it? We slammed it down a chute 8 times.
Like 20 times.
And threw it. Did we throw it from a 3-story building? 3-story roof?
No, we have not.
We haven't gone to the original.
Let's go to the classic.
Old reliable.
And always the rooms then.
If this doesn't break it, I'm literally just gonna demolish it. I mean, literally, like, blow it up or something. Whoa. So there's a shocker, it works. Now I'm gonna blow it up as promised. I know, right?
Fam.
Illy.
I'm not your family. Well, yeah, we are. We're cousins.
Goodbye, little phone. For real this time.
Cracker.
Alright, here it goes. Let me show the firecracker. It's very explosive. This phone still works. Probably won't after this. Oh god. How big of an explosion is it gonna be?
Could do several bangs.
Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god.
So,
I don't think the phone's gonna work. Oh, there it is.
there we go. Phone.
It might work.
Yeah, I think it will.
After a firecracker explosion. Oh.
So next time what you can do is
Oh.
put it under.
Oh, that's really hot.
What? Well, yeah. Well, you just put the other, effective, when I find the other one, put it down and then put that over it like a
Oh.
little A-frame.
Oh, yeah. So let's check if it works.
I didn't-
Are you kidding me?
Wait. The phone still works.
The phone still works
It's crazy.
after a firecracker
See how it needs? See
explosion.
this part right here that.
Ugh. Alright, how are we gonna destroy this?
Well, I
Hold
have
on.
2 more.
Alright, you know what? No explosion. Nothing will kill this. Okay. So you know what we're gonna do?
With it open so it'll hit this
Yep.
part. You ready?
Yep. Yeah, that's right. The whole screen flew off. If this works, that's a miracle. Miracle. Oh my god. It turned yellow now, but you know what? We're gonna do every test possible. Solid metal cleat. It works. You'll have to see it. Hold on. Come on, show it. There, the light up there. You saw it. It worked. Really? You won't buy me a new phone? Really? You know what? Fuck you.
There was a car there. Let me go find the.
Was it just waiting for you right behind you?
Huh?
Was it waiting for you?
Oh, no.
There's the LCD. And CD connector.
That's the SIM card.
LCD.
That's the charger. There's the other part of the motherboard.
We are back for another phone. And another phone. And 4 other phones.
And the Galaxy S6 this is gonna be the
an
best one yet.
iPhone 5.
And an iPad Mini.
And an iPhone 5S.
There you go.
Oh, let's go. Let's go. Where are we?
Taco Bell.
Taco. Sorry.
That's what you did to me earlier, so I did it to you.
With the Gma and Gpaw
Where are they?
right there, you fam. Got my new watch, the Apple A7 watch. Yeah. All right, we just left Taco Bell. Now we're doing a drive test to see if it'll survive the ride. Whoa.
Oh, okay.
Okay then.
Is it even turning on? Oh my god.
All right, now we're in a dark area under a bed. You see the lights on it now? There they are.
What up, nigga? Oh, ow. Ugh. Bah. 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 Oh, so can you see by the dawn's early light, we're so proudly real in the twilight. Look you. Mia! Mamma mia!
Mamma mia, papa pia, appagia duttidia.
5S, 6, 6S Plus.
Remaining. 1 minute 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 remaining.
45
1
minutes
minute remaining.
2
1
minutes
minute remaining.
About a
1
minute
minute
remaining.
remaining.
About
1
2
minute
minutes.
remaining.
Oh.
1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. 2 minutes
A
remaining.
minute remaining.
A minute remaining. 1
minute remaining. 1 minute remaining.
1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining.
1 minute remaining.
1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining.
Oh.
I bet you can't sing like that.
I probably can't. Could
Try it.
It worked. What is 16 divided by 32 times 18 minus 2, 18, 5,000? How's the weather in London?
Okay, this test is going on way too long. I'm literally done with this phone. What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, well, cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need. You decided this. What you say? What did she say? What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, well, cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need. You decided this. What you say? What did she say? What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, well, cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, cause it is. What you say? What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, well, cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need. You decided this. What you say? What did she say? What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, well, cause you did. What you